Good afternoon, Madam Chair, members of the board, and Madam Superintendent. Today I am providing an update on the implementation of Georgia's new K-12 mathematics standards. Your aligned system of teaching and learning, Policy BAB, explicitly states that our core business is student learning. As a board, you have positioned us to incorporate the required Georgia Department of Education standards into our local standards, the HTLS, to ensure our teachers are equipped to deliver high-quality instruction every single day and our students are learning at high levels. In your plan of action, Policy BAB, you have paved the way for us to be very deliberate about the ingestion, customization, and implementation of the required standard, which gives us the flexibility needed to align what teachers teach and students learn with the state-adopted standards, and as necessary to go above and beyond state requirements. Having the HTLS allows us to customize what our teachers will teach and students will learn. Of course, always ensuring what the state expects is also our minimum expectation by grade and course. In order to ensure our HTLS are aligned to the state, we paid close attention to the process they facilitated to establish new math standards. You can see the dates of adoption and implementation here. And of course, this means that for the 23-24 school year, the Georgia milestones will reflect these new standards, as will the CCRPI in the fall of 24. Our mathematics team and math teacher advisory have studied the standards and noted the changes to be made. The major theme that has emerged from grade to grade is the simplification of how to solve problems. Let me share an example for our elementary school parents. In the current standards, kids are asked to solve a multiplication problem in several different ways, with the heavy emphasis on students showing how they can solve that problem in multiple ways. This left elementary parents at the kitchen table wondering, what in the world is the box method? Or an array? What happened to carrying the one and regrouping and finding the right answer? Well, the state of Georgia made a significant adjustment in the new standards. Now, students may be taught several different ways to solve problems, but they only have to use the problem-solving method that works best for them. Several parents, including Mrs. Poe, will breathe a sigh of relief knowing that they can offer homework support at the kitchen table again. Another notable shift is an increased focus on real-world math application with the goals of students being able to apply the problem solving that they're learning in their classes to the next class and then post-graduation. This direction taken by the state will not be new to us in Henry. Next month, I will highlight the detailed shifts in Georgia's new K-12 math standards and opportunities for us to customize the HTLS as assessed by our very own math team and teacher advisory. We understand the importance of teacher perspective and expertise. Therefore, we are in collaboration with teachers to complete a standard-by-standard comparison or companion guide for interpretation of the new standards to the old standards. This is just a snippet of the critical work our math teacher advisory and district math team are engaged in to minimize disruption to teacher practice. This core team will also finalize progressions and update unit planning guides to ensure our teachers have what they need to implement to a high level. Additionally, this hardworking team has collaborated with a much larger group of teacher representation from every grade level, from every school, from every course, in order to develop comprehensive, thoughtful approaches to instructional progressions to ensure learning at high levels. Because of your vision, the HTLS insulates our teachers from having to digest the newly adopted standards directly from the state. It also allows us to digest those standards in our Henry Connects ecosystem, established format our teachers have grown accustomed to, in the format of our Henry learning progressions, our unit planning guides, our common formative assessments, and other tools that are available at teachers' fingertips within the Henry Connects portal. Our goal is to ease implementation as much as possible with quality tools and practical professional learning. The goal is for our teachers to focus on learning the new standards and implementing high-quality math instruction, not to grapple with the format and layout of newly adopted standards. As you can see, we will finalize the companion guide and the HTLS in February and make a recommendation for final board adoption of the HTLS in March. During this time, we will also continue principal, assistant principal, instruction and personalized learning lead overview trainings to ensure our leaders are knowledgeable and positioned to fully support our teachers during implementation. Optional teacher training will begin in March with training opportunities for all math teachers occurring during May post-planning. Teachers will also have opportunities to participate in paid summer training, and back-to-school pre-planning professional development will include sessions for math teachers as well. It is our goal to ensure that all students have access to high-quality math instruction in Henry County schools every day, and our teachers have the support needed to do that to a high level. And allowing to this board's ongoing belief in parent partnership, the HTLS and Companion Guide are being published to empower our parents and guardians to partner with us in supporting our students in math. As we all know from our varied experiences as parents, as students, it really does take a village to support math instruction. We thank you for your visionary leadership as Policy BAB has paved the way for us to do this to a high level. Madam Superintendent, that is all I have prepared, and I'll turn it back over to you.